If you're thinking about getting into FPV drones, this comparison is going to be very important for you. DJI's Avata 2 is already one of the most popular FPV drones right now, but leaks suggest a new DJI Avata 360 is coming soon, and it could change the game completely. In this video, we're going to compare the two and focus mainly on the real differences, how they look, how they're designed, what features they offer, and what you can expect in terms of price. First, let's talk about the overall look and concept. The DJI Avata 2 keeps a traditional FPV design with a single forward-facing camera. It looks compact, sporty, and built for fast cinematic flying. The design is very clean and refined with full propeller guards integrated into the body. It feels like a polished second-generation FPV drone made for both beginners and experienced pilots. On the other hand, the DJI Avata 360, based on leaks, keeps a similar Cinhoop-style frame, but is clearly designed around a 360-degree camera system. That's the biggest visual and functional difference. Instead of focusing only on what's in front of the drone, the Avata 360 is rumored to capture everything around it. Because of that, the body appears slightly more rounded and optimized to protect a multi-lens camera setup. So visually, the Avata 2 looks like a performance FPV drone, while the Avata 360 looks more like a creative tool built for immersive content. Now let's talk about camera features because this is where the gap becomes clear. The DJI Avata 2 records high-quality 4K video with strong stabilization and HDR support. It's built to deliver smooth cinematic footage straight out of the camera. What you see is what you shoot. It's simple and reliable. The Avata 360, according to rumors, could support full 360-degree video capture, possibly even at higher resolutions like 8K. That means instead of choosing your angle while flying, you can reframe the shot later in editing. This is a completely different style of shooting. The Avata 2 focuses on precision and controlled cinematic flying, while the Avata 360 focuses on flexibility and immersive content creation. When it comes to features, the Avata 2 already includes upgraded transmission, improved battery life compared to the original Avata, and compatibility with DJI's latest goggles and motion controller. It's a refined and tested platform. The Avata 360 is rumored to include similar compatibility, but adds enhanced obstacle sensing and advanced 360 capture processing. However, since it's not officially released yet, we don't know if flight time or performance will match the Avata 2 exactly. Now, pricing is another major difference. The DJI Avata 2 is already positioned in the mid to premium FPV category. The DJI Avata 360 full bundle, including goggles and controller, is expected to be priced around $1,200. That puts it slightly higher due to the specialized 360 camera technology. So if budget matters, the Avata 2 might feel like the safer and more practical choice right now. So overall, the main difference is simple. The DJI Avata 2 is a refined, performance-focused FPV drone built for smooth cinematic flying. The DJI Avata 360, based on leaks, is aiming to be a creative 360 content machine that gives you more freedom in post-production. One focuses on precision and proven performance. The other focuses on immersive innovation. Now the big question is, do you prefer a polished and reliable FPV experience? Or are you excited about experimenting with full 360 aerial video? That's the quick comparison between the DJI Avata 360 and the Avata 2. If the leaks turn out to be true, things could get very interesting this year. Let me know in the comments which one you would choose. And don't forget to like and subscribe Smart Tech Radar for more tech comparisons.